Hello, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're being safe doing all of this crazy virus stuff. They've started putting out vaccines for the essential workers, so hopefully we can all get back to normal in our lives. But for now, we have to be safe and cautious even more than we normally would be. I'd like to welcome you to my Foxtastic Power Page. And this is like the dashboard, if you would, the control panel that I use for 90% of my business, okay, when I'm working online. And so it's the Christmas season. So in Christmas spirit, I'm going to give you a gift, if you would, to share what I use as my Power Page. Now, you can use the page directly from here, or you can set up your own Power Page and then just copy all this to it and put your own links in it. I mean, it really makes things very, very simple. So I'm just going to go through it real quick. Here, you see I have different time zones, primarily for Tier 1 countries. So I know what I'm promoting. And why Tier 1 countries? Because they're the ones that typically will buy. They're the ones that typically will have the money to be able to buy. So it kind of helps me to look when I want to post things or promote. All right. And then I have some of the effective, what I call the effective traffic sites, some that I use on a regular basis. All right. To promote to and have had good results from. And then if you look here in the center column, I have a ton of Facebook groups that you can promote in. As you can see, I've got all these right here, and you've got groups 1, 2, 3. Well, it's moving. Why is it not moving? Okay, usually it's moving. It's not switching the groups for me. There we go. My computer's just moving slow on me. Okay, so each group has its own little list of promotions, okay, that you can promote on. All these you can promote on and promote your offers or whatever. All right, then we'll go down to the bottom, have some bonuses and free tools that you can use. And I'm going to be adding to this as I go along too, so that since I'm going to start letting you guys use this page, I'll be adding to it as well. Solo ad sellers that I've seen, of course, these cost. The solo ad sellers that I've seen get good results from. Classified ad sites that you can promote to, all online. And then if you want a business that's going to pay you instantly, when I say instantly, you refer someone, they join, you're going to get paid. This particular business, $10 right away, $15 right away, straight into your account. It's not sitting in a bank waiting to come to you in a month. So if you need Christmas money, you should be looking at these right here, right now. Okay, $10 or $20 within hours. Usually within 4 or 5 hours, no more than 24 hours. Another $5 instantly. And then if you want to get paid today, you don't get the income today, you don't get the cash today in your account, but they pay out once a month. But both of these would be good programs for you to get involved in. All right. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you the instant money maker, the easy money makers, easy money makers. These are my top 4 producing money makers. These businesses right here is what I promote on a daily basis. It brings me income on a daily basis. All right. It allows me to eat and pay my bills. So I would definitely recommend that you take a look at these 4 different businesses right here. So basically how we broke this down, what's in green will make you money. All right, yeah, getting paid today, but getting instantly paid here. All right, and then the powerhouse of money and where to advertise them at. All right, all these different advertising places. Okay, and again, advertising places, and then free resources. So hope you will use this the Power Page that I use. If you do and you stick with it consistently, promoting every day, you will make money. Have a foxtastic day, my friends.